What if I told you the biggest risk in most off-grid systems isn't running out of power? It's mismanaging the battery itself. Because when batteries are ignored or poorly installed, they stop being just storage and start becoming a safety hazard. Today, we're breaking down battery safety tips, not as a checklist, but as a system mindset. Because safe energy storage is what keeps your entire off-grid setup stable, reliable, and long-lasting. At the beginning, most people think battery safety is just about avoiding obvious dangers like fire or explosion. But in reality, most issues start much earlier and much quieter. Safety begins with installation, because how your battery is physically set up determines everything that follows. A stable, dry, ventilated, and protected environment is not optional. It's the foundation. Batteries should never be placed in areas exposed to extreme heat, direct sunlight, flooding risk, or poor airflow, because environmental stress slowly builds up damage that can eventually become dangerous. Now, let's talk about the first major safety principle: correct charging control. Every battery needs proper regulation through a compatible charge controller or battery management system. Without this, overcharging or unstable voltage can occur, which slowly damages internal chemistry and can create unsafe conditions. Even small inconsistencies over time add up, which is why proper regulation isn't just about performance, it's about protection. A well-managed system keeps energy flow stable and prevents stress from building up inside the battery. Then comes one of the most important but overlooked factors: temperature management. Batteries generate heat during charging and discharging, and if that heat is not controlled, it reduces efficiency and increases long-term risk. Lithium batteries, in particular, perform best within specific temperature ranges and can be damaged if charged in freezing conditions or stored in excessive heat. Lead-acid systems are also sensitive, especially to overheating and poor ventilation. This is why placement matters just as much as wiring. A battery in the wrong environment is always a risk, no matter how good it is. Now let's move to wiring safety, where many real-world problems begin. Loose connections, undersized cables, poor insulation, and incorrect polarity can all create dangerous conditions. Heat buildup in wires, unexpected resistance, or short circuits are not just performance issues. They are safety risks. Proper cable sizing, secure terminals, and correct system design are essential to prevent energy loss and reduce fire risk. And this is why professional-level builds always prioritize clean, correctly rated wiring over quick installation. Another critical point is load management. Batteries are designed to deliver power within certain limits. When systems are overloaded repeatedly, it creates stress not just on the battery, but on the entire electrical system. Sudden spikes, heavy appliances, or running multiple high-draw devices at once can push systems beyond safe operating conditions. Understanding your load capacity and staying within it is part of safety, not just efficiency. Now let's talk about one of the most ignored safety habits: monitoring and maintenance. Batteries don't fail suddenly in most cases. They give warning signs. Voltage drops, unusual heating, reduced runtime, or inconsistent charging behavior are early indicators that something is wrong. Regular monitoring allows you to catch problems before they become dangerous. A system that is checked and maintained consistently is far safer than one that is simply left to run unattended. Then there's storage safety, especially for spare or backup batteries. Batteries should never be stored in extreme temperatures, near flammable materials, or in damp environments. Even when not in active use, they can degrade or become unstable if stored incorrectly. Proper storage conditions extend lifespan and reduce risk significantly. And here's a key insight many people don't expect. Most battery safety issues come from system mistakes, not battery failure. It's rarely the battery itself that causes problems. It's incorrect installation, poor design, or lack of understanding. This means safety is less about fear and more about setup quality. So what does safe battery use actually look like in practice? It's a system that is correctly sized, properly ventilated, well-wired, protected by proper charge control, and regularly monitored. It doesn't push components to their limits every day, and it doesn't ignore early warning signs. Instead, it operates within stable ranges where stress is minimized and performance is predictable. And that leads to the final takeaway. Battery safety is not a single action. It's a combination of environment, design, behavior, and maintenance. When all of these align, the system becomes not only efficient, but stable and safe over the long term. If you want more deep, practical breakdowns like this about solar systems and off-grid setups, subscribe to Off Grid Life Tech.